Elon Musk's XAI reveals a $200 billion breakthrough project. Early signals suggest this could be one of Musk's boldest bets yet. Also, according to Musk, XAI and Tesla are trending towards convergence in some way. This is going to be interesting. Right now, XAI is building a massive project of incredible scale in boosting AI capacity. The project entails hundreds of jobs and major tax incentives. Of course, XAI's Quark faces scrutiny over misuse despite rapid user growth and high investor interest. Elon Musk AI startup XAI is planning a data center project so massive that it's hard to comprehend. However, Musk AI vehicle is dropping more than $20 billion to build a colossal new infrastructure in Mississippi to expand its computing power. Lately, we've seen Musk quietly shifting his focus away from Tesla's core EV business, which continues to struggle with sluggish growth and pricing pressures and relentless competition. But instead, his attention has shifted to what he believes comes next. He believes in autonomy, AI, and platforms that can efficiently scale far beyond just selling cars. Musk shared his thoughts in a Tesla's Q1 2025 earnings call when he said the future of the company is fundamentally based on large-scale autonomous cars and large volume, fast numbers of autonomous humanoid robots. And those catalysts are why Wedbush's Dan Ives slapped a street-high $600 price target on the stock. We believe Tesla could reach a $2 trillion market cap over the coming year, said Dan Ives, Wedbush managing director. XAI is building an AI production corridor, not just a data center. XAI's expansion in the Memphis South Haven region is a part of a far-reaching coordinated build-out that's designed around scale, speed, and energy availability. This could mean enormous growth for the company. The massive $20 billion Mississippi data center project called Macro Harder is expected to pave the way of hundreds of permanent jobs across DeSoto County. Therefore, the Mississippi Development Authority has already approved XAI for its data centers incentives, offering sales and use tax exemptions on equipment and software along with supporting the fee-in-lieu agreements. Conveniently, the sprawling South Haven facility is strategically situated near XAI's newly required power plant site and is near its existing Tennessee data center. Now, it's also directly positioned alongside the flagship AI factory Colossus in the Memphis area, supporting nearly 200,000 GPUs along with a stated roadmap of 1 million. Once it's all wrapped up, it could significantly boost the company's total computing capacity to roughly 2 gigawatts, with operations set to begin in early February. Big AI players are making similar infrastructure bet clearly. XAI's build-out is striking, but it's part of a broader race among tech giants to secure the infrastructure needed to power the growing AI workloads. And it's getting crazier. There's OpenAI Stargate project, a plan envisioning up to $500 billion in US AI data center investment over 4 years, with $100 billion allocated to the initial phase, according to CNN. Also, the Microsoft and OpenAI Stargate supercomputer, a separate project that's estimated to be a whopping $100 billion with a targeted launch near 2028. The Meta's Hyperion project, a $27 billion financing-backed data center in Louisiana that Meta Platforms describes as its largest globally with a capacity potentially exceeding 2 gigawatts. XAI turned distribution, compute, and capital into a single strategy. XAI is looking to position itself as a potent, full-stack AI business, offering a one-stop covering models, distribution, and computing infrastructure. However, things went into overdrive last March when Elon Musk bundled X into XAI in an all-stock transaction. The deal valued XAI as a whopping $80 billion and X at $33 billion, roughly $45 billion factoring in debt. That power move gave XAI built-in distribution on a massive scale, transforming a platform feature into a standalone product with immense reach. Now, why would this matter? Well, for instance, in the Andreessen Horowitz AI rankings, Grok ranked number 4 on the web and number 23 on mobile, an impressive climb in a market that's dominated by ChatGPT and Google's Gemini. Now, usage numbers underscore the tremendous momentum. And there's more. Based on Sensor Tower data, XAI went from 0 users in the beginning of 2025 to an eye-popping 9.5 million daily active users, along with 38 million monthly active users by mid-December. That traction, though, fed rapidly, raising valuation expectations. Now, in June, Bloomberg reported fundraising talks that valued XAI near a staggering $80 billion, up substantially from $51 billion at the end of 2024. By November, Reuters cited the Wall Street Journal reported discussing at an even bigger $230 billion valuation. XAI closed an upsized $20 billion Series E, which comfortably surged past its $15 billion target. Now, investors including Valor, Stepstone, Fidelity, Qatar Investment Authority, plus strategic backers including NVIDIA and Cisco. And financials point to a heavy investment with a $1.46 billion of a quarterly loss, $107 million in sales, and $7.8 million in cash through the first 9 months of 2025. However, the scale-up hasn't been seamless. XAI continues to scale, but it has also faced a ton of scrutiny over Grok's behavior in real-world use, like non-consensual deepfake imagery. There was also extremism concerns and in misinformation risks. Now, Elon Musk says Tesla and XAI are trending towards convergence in some ways. Elon Musk said that his companies are trending towards convergence in a post on X. The post suggests a potential integration among his various business ventures, including Tesla, Inc., and his AI startup XAI. Now, Morgan Stanley's Adam Jonas noted on Tesla's shareholder XAI investment vote. They're going to have to revisit this one. We don't think investors understand how important XAI is to Tesla and the broader Muskonomy. Now, Muskonomy is Musk's economy. Elon said, "My companies are surprisingly in some way trending towards convergence." The post comes a proposal for Tesla to invest in XAI, but did not pass the recent shareholder meeting in which Musk's $1 trillion pay package was approved. Morgan Stanley says they're going to have to revisit this one. Musk was replying to Morgan Stanley's note shared by Tesla influencer Sawyer Merritt that was focused on the importance of XAI for Tesla. In his note, Morgan Stanley said, "They're going to have to revisit this one. We don't think investors understand how important XAI is to Tesla and the broader Muskonomy." However, Tesla is working closely with XAI, and Musk has been vocal about the collaboration between Tesla and XAI. In June, he mentioned that Tesla is working closely with XAI, which is developing an AI model, Grok. The idea of convergence aligns with Musk's previous statements about potential investments and collaborations. Now, in July, Tesla acknowledged receiving multiple shareholder proposals regarding investing in XAI. Musk has also expressed his support for Tesla investing in XAI, although he emphasized that the decision rests with shareholders. Now, why is this important? Tesla and XAI have a close ongoing collaboration involving technology sharing and commercial agreements, though Tesla shareholders recently rejected a formal proposal for direct equity investment in XAI. The relationship is part of Elon Musk's strategy to create an integrated ecosystem of his various companies, which he calls Muskonomy. Now, key aspects for the collaboration include Grok integration. XAI's Grok chatbot is already integrated into supported Tesla vehicles as an AI companion for navigation and other functions. There are also plans to integrate Grok with the Optimus humanoid robot. Hardware and infrastructure. XAI has purchased hundreds of millions of dollars worth of Tesla's Megapack batteries to power its AI data centers and the Colossus supercomputer, demonstrating a significant commercial relationship. Both companies also plan to continue buying AI chips from NVIDIA and AMD. Also, with the new expansion, this will absolutely continue. Data and software. Tesla's extensive fleet of vehicles provides a massive amount of real-world driving data, which is invaluable for training AI systems and could potentially help XAI develop AI that understands the physical world. And in return, XAI's technology could improve Tesla's full self-driving FSD software and enhance the intelligence of its products. And here are future possibilities. Well, the recent investment proposal failed to pass the shareholder votes in November of 2025 due to abstentions. The idea of a deeper, formalized partnership or even a potential future merger is frequently discussed by analysts and company insiders. And Musk himself has stated that the companies are trending towards convergence. The collaboration has drawn scrutiny over potential conflicts of interest, but proponents argue it creates significant synergistic value by giving Tesla access to cutting-edge AI technology while providing XAI with a massive hardware platform and real-world data stream. Yes, Tesla and XAI are already collaborating closely and are trending towards deeper integration, with XAI's Grok chatbot in Tesla's vehicles and XAI purchasing Tesla batteries, though Elon Musk has suggested a full merger is not currently planned, despite shareholders' proposals for investing and predictions of acquisitions. This synergy combines Tesla's real-world AI, FSD, and Optimus with XAI's large language models for unified AI strategy. And if you want to know a little bit more about Colossus, Tesla's supercomputer, you could watch this to find out. Also, tune in on Friday when we talk about Tesla, Elon Musk, and his other companies. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Claudia, and goodbye.